This is a fit for a 2012 through 2015 Honda Civic 4-door. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Rhino-Rack Vortex 2500 base roof rack system. The system is using the Vortex Aero load bars in black, 50 inches in length, the 2500 legs, which include locks, and the vehicle-specific fitting kit, which includes the contoured rubber base pads and the rubberized metal door frame brackets. This is part number DK319. The crossbars are in a pre-designated fixed location at 27.5 inches from front to rear, center to center. Maximum weight carrying capacity is 132 pounds, evenly distributed. There is no interference with the full operation of the sunroof when equipped. This product and the full line of Rhino-Rack products are available at rackoutfitters.com. Please see the link in the video description for complete details, our pricing, and our promotions.